Hi everyone! In this video we're going to learn how to draw a triangle knowing their three sides. First of all, we're going to start by drawing one of its sides. Then we have to measure the other side with a bow compass and draw an arc with that length with center in the endpoint of the segment. We do just the same with the third side. We measure it with the bow compass and we draw an arc in the other endpoint. The intersection of those two arcs is the third vertex of the triangle. So we just have to join the three vertices. Don't forget to label the vertices. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Greetings to my students. Bye!